Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. Today we have Edexcel Mathematics C12 January 2019 WMA 0101. Let us start the first question. A line L passes through the point A 5 and -2 and B 1 and 10. Find the equation of line writing your answer in the form y equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constant. To start to solve this question, we need m. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 10 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 5. So it will equal to 12 divided by minus 4. So m minus 3. Now the equation y was equal to minus 3x plus c. Let us use point B. So y equal to 10 at x equal to minus 2 plus 1. So 10 equal minus 3 by 1 plus c. So from here c is equal to 13. So the equation will be y equal minus 3x plus 13. And this is your answer. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Given y is equal to 2 power x, express each of the following in terms of y, writing each expression in the simplest form. 2 power 2x, so 2 power 2x is equal to 2x power 2, so it's equal to y squared. Okay, then b, 2x plus 3 will equal to 2x by 2 power 3. So it will equal to y by 2 power 3 equal to 8, so 8y. Let us go ahead to C. 1 divided by 4, 2x minus 3. So it equal to 1, 4 power 2x divided by 4 power 3. So it equal to 4 power 3 divided by 4 2x. So it equal to 64 divided by 2x by 2. So 64 2x power 4. So it equal to 64 divided by y power 4. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. A curve has an equation y equals square root of 2x squared minus 6 square root of x plus 4 square root of 2, where x bigger than 0. Find gradient of the curve at the point B, 2 and 2 square root of 2. Write your answer in the form a square root of 2, where a is a constant. Now to find the gradient as you know, dy by dx. So we need to start to find dy by dx will equal to the gradient. So let us write y equal to square root of 2x squared minus 6 square root of x plus 4 square root of 2. You know know that if y equal to x power n, so dy by dx n x n minus 1. Start dy by dx, dy by dx equal to square root of 2x minus 6 by half x half minus 1 plus 0. So it will be 2 square root of 2x minus 3 divided by square root of x equal to 2. So let us find when at x equal to 2, dy by dx will equal to 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 divided by square root of 2. So it equal to 4 square root of 2 minus 3 divided by square root of 2. Let us multiply square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. So it will equal to 4 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 2 divided by 2. So it will equal to 8 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 2. So it will equal to 5 square root of 2 divided by 2. So we want as a square root of 2, so it's a 5 over 2 square root of 2. So this is your answer. Okay. A sequence is defined by u1 is equal to k, where k is a constant. Un plus 1 is equal to 4 un minus 3, n bigger than or equal to 1. Find u2 and u3 in terms of k. Simplifying your answer. Start. Now we need u2. So u2 is equal to u1 plus 1. So it equal to 4u1 minus 3. So it equal to 4k minus 3. Now u3 is equal to u2 plus 1. So it equal to 4u2 minus 3. So it equal to 4k minus 3 minus 3. So it equal to 4 by 4 k minus 12 minus 3. So it is equal to 16k minus 15. This is u3 and u2. Given summation from n equal to 1 to n equal to 3, un is equal to 18. Find the k. So to solve this part, summation from n equal to 1 to 3, un is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3, and all of them is equal to 18. u1 is k plus u2 4k minus 3, so 4k minus 3 plus u3 16k minus 15 will equal to 18. So now k plus 4k plus 16k plus minus 3 minus 15 equal to 18. So 21k plus minus 18 equal to 18. So 21k is equal to 18 plus 18 equal to 36. So k will equal to 36 divided by 21 will equal to 12 divided by 7. So k is equal to 12 divided by 7. And this is your answer. Let us go ahead to another question. Use the binomial theory. Find the first four terms in ascending powers of x of the expression of 1 minus x divided by 2 power 8. Give each term in this simplest form. Let us start to solve this polynomial equation. So he needs the four term. Let us start to write the four term. 1, this is the first term, plus C8 1 minus x divided by 2 power 1 plus C8 and 2 minus x divided by 2 power 2 plus C8 and 3 minus x divided by 2 power 3. So it will be 1 plus C8 equal to 8 multiplied by minus x divided by 2 plus C8 2, so 8 C2 28, so 28 divided by 4 x squared plus C8 3 56 divided by 8 y minus x cubed. It will be 1 minus 4x plus 7x squared minus 7x power 3, and this is the fourth term of the sequence. Okay. Use answer to power part A to find the approximate value of 0.9 power 8. Write your answer in the form A divided by B, where A and B are integers. So now he needs 0.9 power 8. This is B now. So we need to find x. So 1 minus x divided by 2 is equal to 0.9. So minus x divided by 2, 0.9 minus 1. So minus x divided by 2 will equal to minus 0.1. So x will equal to 0.2. This is the value of x. So 0.9 power 8 will equal to 1 minus 4 by 0.2 plus 7 by 0.2 squared minus 7 by 0.2 power 3. So it will equal to 1 minus 4 by 0.2 plus 7 by 0.2 square minus 7 by 0.2 cube. So 53 divided by 125. 53 by 125. And this is the final answer. Okay. Let us go ahead to another question. Sketch the graph of y equal to 1 plus cosine x when x bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to y. Show in your sketch the coordinate of the point where your graph made the coordinate axis. So you need to start to change your calculator to radian and start to put the point x equal to 0, x equal to pi, x equal to 2 pi, and then start to draw, find y and start to draw the graph. If you do that, this is how looks like your graph. You need this point, which is at y-axis, and he need this point also at the x-axis. Okay. Use trapezium rules with 6 strips of equal widths to find an approximate value for integration of 1 plus cosine x dx from 0 to 2 pi. To start to solve the part B, I will use the width of the strip is equal to pi over 3, and he need 6 strips. So let us start now. I will start the first value here at 0, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, by 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, and 2 pi. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in between we have 6 strips. Let us see why. Y is equal, according to the equation up here, y is equal 1 plus cosine x. So let us change now the calculator to radian, and now 1 plus cosine, let us start with 0, cosine 0 will equal to so the first answer here is 2. Now pi over 3, so let us go here, pi divided by 3 divided by 3, so 3 over 2, which is 1.5. 2 pi over 3, so here 2 pi, so half. Now pi zero. 4 pi over 3, 4 pi divided by 3, half. 5 pi divided by 3, 1.5, and the 2 pi is equal to 2. Now area will equal to half width h1 plus 2 summation of h interior plus hn, which is the h at the end. So the area will equal to half. The width is pi over 3. h1 is 2 plus 2, 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.5 plus 1.5 plus 2. So let us find this answer. 0.5 by divided by 3 by, open the bracket, 2 plus 2, open another bracket, 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.5 plus 1.5, close the bracket, plus 2, close the main bracket. So it equal to 2 pi. So here's the answer, 2 pi. So the final value will equal to 6.28. 6, the area 6.28. This is the area. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The equation 2x squared plus 5bx plus b is equal to 0, where b is a constant that has no real roots. Find the set of possible value of b. To start solve this question, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5b, and c is equal to b. Now to find the root, the equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If we don't have any root, so b2 minus 4ac will equal to 0. So actually it's less than 0 if we don't have any real root. So let us solve this equation now. So 5b squared minus 4 by 2 by b is equal to 0. So 25b squared minus 8b was equal to 0. So b, 25b minus 8 is equal to 0. So b equal to 0, or b, or 25b minus 8 will equal to 0. So b will equal to 8 divided by 25. This is the first value of b, and this is the second value of b. So has no real roots means that this part is negative. So this part will be negative value. Okay. So let us start to find the possible value of b. So let us draw now. We have here 0, 8 divided by 25. Let us start certain value here, 5 divided by 25 as an example. So 25 by 5 divided by 25, 1 over 5, which is 0.2, by 0.2 square minus 8 by 0.2, so it equal to minus 3 over 5, so negative. So okay here. So between 0 and 8.2, 8 divided by 25, b, this part is negative, so it's mean that b bigger than 0 and less than 8 divided by 25. And this is the possible value of b. Okay, so let us start another question. Given k bigger than 3 and integer from 3 to k to x plus 6 divided by x squared dx equal to 10k. Show that k power 3 minus 10k squared minus 7k minus 6 equal to 0. So let us start the integration. 3k 2x plus 6x minus 2 dx will equal to, from 3 k. 2x is equal to 2x. Now the integer, if we have y equal to x power n, so integer y dx is equal to 1 divided by n plus 1 x n plus 1 divided by 2x squared plus 6 divided by minus 1 x minus 1. So it would equal to, from 3 to k, x squared minus 6 divided by x. Let us now find the value of the integration. So k squared minus 6 divided by k minus 3 squared minus 6 divided by 3. So it equal to k squared minus 6 divided by k minus 9 plus 2. So it equal to k squared minus 6k minus 7. This integration will equal to, according to the given up, 10k. So equal to 10k. So it means k squared minus 6 divided by k minus 7 minus 10k is equal to 0. Let us multiply by k. So k power 3 minus 6 minus 7k minus 10k squared will equal to 0. So let us now rearrange it apart. K power 3 minus 10k squared minus 7k minus 6 will equal to 0, and this is the same equation we needed up. Okay, k power 3 minus 10k squared minus 7k minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The circle C has an equation x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Find coordinate of the center of C. So let us find the center of the circle. X squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So the equation of the circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. So here we have x squared and 10x. So I have here x and 10x. So I can write now x plus 5 squared, because 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. So it will be x squared plus 10x plus 25. So let me write now this equation. X squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 25. Y and 6y, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So y plus 3 squared, and I have minus, so this one will be minus. So y squared minus 6y plus 9. So I can add now plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So now I have x minus x plus 5 squared minus 25 plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 0. So x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 25. So now h is equal to minus 5 and the k is equal to 3. So center is equal to minus 5 and 3. This is the center of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. So now let us go B. R squared is equal to 25. This is the value. So the radius is equal to 5. So this is the radius of the circle. Let us go ahead. Find the point B minus 2 and 7 lie on C. Find the equation of tangent to C at point B. Write your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let us start to solve this part. We have here a circle and this is the center C, and I have here point B which is coordinate minus 2 and 7, and now the center C here, the center of the circle, which is minus 5 and 3, and here is the radius which is equal to 5. Now m, the gradient of the radius, which is this line, will equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it equal to 3 minus 7 minus 5 minus 2. So it equal to minus 4 divided by minus 3. So it's equal to 4 divided by 3. M perpendicular, because we know that this is a tangent, the line of the tangent, and here this is angle 90. M perpendicular is equal to minus 3 over 4, because M perpendicular is equal to 1 over minus 1 over the M of the line. So now the gradient of the tangent will equal to minus 3 over 4. The equation y is equal to mx plus c. Now when y is equal to 7, x equal to minus 2, so 7 will equal to minus 3 over 4, x minus 2 plus c. So c will equal to 7 minus 6 divided by 4. So 7 minus 6 divided by 4. So it equal to 11 over 2. So from here c is equal 11 over 2. Let us start to write the equation now. So y is equal to minus 3 divided by 4 x plus 11 over 2. Let us multiply by 4, so 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 22. So now we need in the form of the equation ax plus b y, so it will equal to minus 3x minus 4y plus 22 is equal to 0. We can multiply by minus, so the answer will be equal to 3x plus 4y minus 22 is equal to 0, and this is the answer. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Figure 1 shows the design of a shop sign A, B, C, D, and A again. The sign consists of triangle AOD joined to a sector of D, O, B, C, and D again. So this sector. Now with radius 1.8, so this is the radius 1.8 and center O. This is the center O. The point A, B, and O lie on the straight line. So A, B, and O is a straight line. Give that AD, here AD is equal to 3.9 meter and the angle BOD is 0.8 radian. Calculate the size of angle DAO. DAO. So he needs this angle. He asks now about this angle. And this is a triangle. The triangle here ADO. This is a triangle. So, and we have one of the angle which is 0.84 radian. So we can start to write the sine rule. So let us write the sine rule now from the shape. So sine 0.84 divided by 3.9 is equal to sine DAO divided by 1.8. So let us use the sine rule. So again, sine 0.84 divided by 3.9 will equal to sine the angle that we need DAO divided by 1.8. So the angle now DAO is equal to sine minus 1. Sine 0.84 by 1.8 divided by 3.9. Let us find this value and check that your calculator is at radian. So for radian, shift sine minus 1. Now sine 0.84, close the bracket, by 1.8 divided by 3.9. And then go down here, 3.9. And then go up again and close the bracket. Now the angle is 0.35. The angle is 0.351. So the angle DAO is equal to 0.351 radians. Okay. Now show that to one decimal place the length of AO, is equal to 4.9. So he needs now the length AO. To find this length, again sine rule. AO divided by, we need this angle now. We need the angle ODA. We can find this angle, yes. The summation of the angle of the triangle is equal to pi minus 0.84 minus the angle that we calculated now, 0.351. We will find D. So the angle, let us start the second part. So B angle ADO is equal to pi minus 0.84 minus 0.351. So it's equal to shift pi minus 0.84 minus 0.351 will equal to 1.951 radian. So now again sine rule. We find this angle now, this angle. So AO sine ADO divided by AO is equal to sine 0.84 divided by 3.9. So let us start. Sine 1.951 divided by AO is equal to sine 0.84 divided by 3.9. So AO is equal to sine 1.951 by 3.9 divided by sine 0.84. So AO is equal to sine 1.951 close the bracket by 3.9 divided by sine 0.84 will equal, close up this bracket, will equal to 4.86. So it's equal to, so 1 decimal place was equal to 4.9 meter. So now 4.86, which is equal to 4.9 meter. And this is the answer that he needs. Now find in meter square the area of the shop sign given your answer to 1 decimal place. So the area will equal to the area of the triangle plus the area of the sector. The area of the triangle, here this area of triangle plus the area of the circle. Let us find the area of the triangle. So this is part C. Area of the triangle is equal to half by 1.8 by 3.9 by sine the angle that we calculate 1.951, which is this angle, this part. This is our triangle. The area of this triangle is 3.9 by 1.8 by sine the angle between the two lines, which is 1.951. So this is the area of the triangle will equal to, let us calculate this area, 0.5 by 1.8 by 3.9 by sine 1.951. So now this area is equal to 3.26. 3.26 meter square. Okay. Let us find now the area of the sector. Area of sector will equal to, the area of the sector is equal to half theta. How much the theta and which theta? If we go up, this is our arc here, this is our arc here, this is our arc here, so we need this theta. this theta is equal to 2 pi minus 0.84. So the theta of the sector here will equal to the theta 2 pi minus 0.84 by the radius square, which is 1.8 square. This is the radius square and this is theta. Okay, so let us find the area of the sector. So area of the sector will equal to 0.5 by, in the bracket, 2 by minus 0.84 by 1.8 square. So 8.82 meters square. So total area is equal to area of the triangle plus area of the sector. So it equal to the area of the triangle 3.26. So it's equal to 3.26 plus 8.82. So the total area was equal to 3.26 plus 8.82. So it equal to 12.08. 12.08 meters square. Let us see if he needs certain. So find the area, give your answer to 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place, this is the condition. So now here this is will equal to, this is 12.08 meters square. So area will equal to 12.1 meters square, and this is your answer. Okay, let us go ahead and see the last part. Find in meters the perimeter of the shop sign, giving your answer to 1 decimal place also. So the perimeter here will be the length of the sector plus AB plus AD. AB, which is this part, the AO we already calculated 4.9. So AB here will equal to 4.9 minus, this is the radius 1.8. Okay, so plus this part plus the length of the sector. So let us find the perimeter. So now perimeter, so this is the last one, which is D. So perimeter is equal to, again, the first length 3.9 plus 4.9 minus the radius 1.8 plus the arc length, which is theta r. So it equal to 3.9 plus 4.9 minus 1.8 plus again theta is equal to 2 pi minus 0.84 by 1.8. Okay, so now the answer, the perimeter, will equal to 3.9 plus 4.9 minus 1.8 plus 2 pi minus 0.84 by 1.8. So it will equal to 16.797. So 1 decimal place, so 16.8 meters. And this is your answer.